Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my recipe for potato salad. You know, that beloved side dish that we like to have that just completes our plate, whether it's special dinner like Thanksgiving or even Sunday dinner. So let's get into it. I'm going to be sharing with you the ingredients and the method for making this deliciousness. Okay, so first things first, we're going to be doing the dressing for our potato salad. It's a mayonnaise based one, so of course we start with mayonnaise and then we're going to be adding some other ingredients to make this really flavorful. You want to make sure you whisk everything thoroughly. This is the reason it's important to do your dressing first, because you don't want to be mixing these things with the potato and making it all mushy. So always best to do this first and then add this mixture to the cooked potatoes. So when you're choosing the potatoes for this potato salad, you want to buy a waxy type of potato instead of a starchy one, just because the waxy ones will hold up better in the potato salad. However, whatever potatoes you have at home, you can use it. Just know that if you're going out to shop for this salad, choose a waxy type of potato. I'll leave the info in my tips near the end of the video. So when you're cubing the potatoes, guys, you want to try to get the pieces the same size. Even if they're not the exact same size, of course, you want to try to get them as close as possible. And the reason you're doing this is because you want all of them to finish cooking at the same time. So drain all the water out completely, and what you want to do now is turn on some cold water to stop the cooking immediately, because if you don't do that, the heat that's in the potatoes will continue to cook them and make them even softer. So turn on some cold water, and then you're gonna pour these in a container and put them in the fridge to chill. Okay, so after you've added all the dressing that you need, this potato salad is good to go. However, growing up in the Caribbean, I remember every wedding I've ever been to, every dinner I've been to, when they made potato salad, mixed vegetables were always added. Let me know in the comment section if this is a Caribbean thing or what, because that is what I remember. So I'm going to be adding mixed vegetables. This does add more color, more texture, even more nutritive value to the potato salad, but it is optional, so you can skip this step if you don't have any or if you don't want to add this. Okay guys, our delicious potato salad is ready. I'm just going to transfer this to another bowl, and it is ready for your potluck, your barbecue, your Sunday dinner, whatever you're having. You can sprinkle some paprika on top just to give it some color. You can add some diced chives or parsley just to make it pretty, but it is good to go. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. And remember, if you liked this video, please click like and don't forget to subscribe. Also, stick around till near the end of the video for my tips. See you guys next time.